In this lab, you'll be looking at the evolution of carbon dioxide gas from metal carbonate solids. This will be done by measuring the mass of the solid before and after reaction with a strong acid. You will start this experiment by tearing the balance and weighing a clean and dry beaker and test tube. Record the mass in your lab notebook. You will then take your given carbonate metal and add it to the beaker. You'll want to add about 0.75 to 1.25 grams of the solid. You will need about a quarter of a test tube full of sulfuric acid. You will find the sulfuric acid in the fume hood. Carefully add it to the test tube and do not get any of it into the beaker. Record the mass of the beaker, test tube, acid, and solid now that you have added them all together. Once you have recorded the masses, you may proceed with the reaction. Pour all of the acid into the beaker with the carbonate solid. This will cause the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. Be sure that all the metal carbonate has reacted and that all the carbon dioxide has been driven out of the solution. Swirl the beaker gently. If you notice that there is any of the solid on the walls of the beaker, tilt it carefully and rinse down the solid. Make sure it gets dissolved by the acid. Once the reaction is complete, reweigh the beaker, test tube, and solution. The difference in mass is due to the carbon dioxide that has been driven out of the solution.